Do you have old photos that you've been meaning to scan? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to scan your old photos and bring them back to life. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you start scanning, you'll need to gather a few supplies. These include a scanner, a computer, a photo editing software, a clean workspace. Step 2. Prepare your photos. Once you have your supplies, you'll need to prepare your photos. This means cleaning them off and removing any dust or fingerprints. You may also want to trim the edges of your photos if they are too large. Step 3. Scan your photos. Now it's time to scan your photos. Place your photos on the scanner and make sure that they are aligned correctly. Then, start the scanning process. Step 4. Edit your scanned photos. Once your photos have been scanned, you can edit them using a photo editing software. This is where you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and color of your photos. You can also crop your photos or add filters. Step 5. Save your scanned photos. Once you're happy with your edited photos, you can save them to your computer. You can then share them with friends and family, or print them out and create a photo album. That's it. Now you know how to scan your old photos and bring them back to life. With a little time and effort, you can preserve your memories for generations to come. I tend to believe that you have learned some interesting facts about scanning your old photos and bring them back to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.